Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. Following that, install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner of Magic Fluids app. Now tap on those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Settings at the top and choose I accept in the pop-up. Now, after checking all of those settings, tap on the top right corner. Then select bottom one again, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, and tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Lastly, click on the best option for you. In my case, home screen and lock screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!